For those of you new to the channel, I am Darren Stork, owner of HTB Beauty. For 20 years, our company has participated in breast cancer awareness through the sale of bonded extensions. This year, in addition to the bonded extensions, we are working with Ergo. Ergo has created a special pink brush, and portions of the proceeds of the sale of those brushes will be going to a charity called HairToStay. And that's why we're here today, because HairToStay is a company that is involved with devices called cold caps. And what cold caps do is they help a woman who's going through chemotherapy maintain their hair. We are here today at my wife's chemotherapy treatment. So obviously this charity means a lot to us. It has a direct impact on our life. And as you can see how magnificent this equipment works, it is normally somebody who's been in treatment like Staci has been for almost 14 months would have no hair at all. So the psychological benefits of this machine is spectacular. And what this charity does is it provides the ability to get this service for people that cannot afford it. So it's a wonderful event, or a wonderful charity. And what we're going to do today is give you a little demo of what we do with Staci. So bear with me if I am not the stylist, but I will play one today. And what we do is we spray Staci's hair, comb it out just to create a little barrier. We then put some conditioner in. Again, you can see that Staci has her entire scalp fully covered. So this ability for this machine is quite effective. This is the actual cold cap, which will again eventually get attached to the machine. The way this works is she's going to have this on 30 minutes prior to chemotherapy. And then when the chemotherapy is done, we keep it on another hour after that. So it does add an hour and a half, obviously, to the treatment. This top part is designed to keep the cold in. And voila, that is a done cap. So again, the way you can participate with this as a stylist, just the purchase of any Ergo brush, which are the specially designed pink brushes, beautiful pink brushes. And we look forward to your support. Thank you.